Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to properly calibrate the device, which is the INVENTO VBS 200E. The essential and necessary tools for proper calibration will be pliers, and most importantly, a precisely 100-gram weight. To properly calibrate the machine, you need to enter the menu by pressing the Enter button, then use the plus or minus buttons to find the Setup option, confirm with the Enter button again, and use the plus or minus buttons to find the Cal option. Confirm with the Enter button once more to display the message at and 0. Make sure to follow these steps carefully to ensure accurate calibration. And at this point, we place the wheel on the shaft. After placing the wheel on the shaft, we need to enter its values. Clicking through the options for wheel width, diameter, and the distance between the machine and the tire, by carefully and thoroughly examining each option to ensure the best fit and performance. We click through with the minus button. We have 15. 15 is set. Diameter 6 and 7 is the length dimension from the machine to the wheel, which we measure using this laser. The process involves ensuring the correct settings are applied, and the laser measurement is precise to guarantee accuracy. At this point in time, when we have entered all of the wheel values, we close the lid and then release the wheel for the purpose of balancing. After balancing, we spin the wheel until all the LEDs on the panel light up. And at that moment, we attach the weight at the 12 o'clock position. After attaching the weight, we release the wheel again. And the sound signal indicated we had properly calibrated the device.